This is a Bronx-bound 5 express.
And clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Bronx-bound 5 express train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.